What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Jasmy fam. Jasmy Knots. I am back with another video for you guys. Markets looking a bit down right now. You know, global market has reduced by 1.9%. So we were at 1.07 trillion. Now we're at 1.05 trillion, and it decreased over the last day for the overall markets. You know, Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, fear and greed index, we're at a 35 on fear. Perfect time to DCA, man. Perfect time to add to your stack and keep DCAing into great altcoins like Jasmy, right? Jasmy fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you know, share the video with your friends and family. Also, if you can, to support the channel further, become a channel member. Jasmy sitting at 3371 $164.8 million in market cap, $15.5 million in 24-hour trade volume. And we're still seeing the community super active, super engaged. Raymond, Jasmy, if you managed to fight through this bear market, you would have survived the longest bear market in cryptocurrency history. This is what I've been seeing on my timeline over and over again, right? Time and time again, I see people saying out of all the bear markets they've seen, this has been the worst and the longest bear market, right? And we are still here doing our best to make it, to attain financial freedom. It's only a matter of time we will see that take place with Jasmy. So when the bull run starts, you will deserve every single penny of your gains. Patience, patience, patience. What's your F612? Time is money, and that is a fact. From Niles, Jasmy in bull market 2024 is $4 possible. I'm not gonna go too crazy on my price targets. I think 50 cents to $1 is a lot more conservative, similar to what Lucas has said here. Hopefully 60 cents. Analysts saying never $4. I think we gotta be more conservative in our price targets, guys. So I do think $1 is possible though, because Shiba went to 50 billion in the last cycle, right? If Shiba could hit 50 billion, a great utility project like Jasmy could hit 50 billion. And this was when Shiba has had zero use case whatsoever. Shibarium only recently went live. It just started working recently, right? It had zero use case. It was just a coin. That's it. I think it was just a token actually, right? It was just a token, no use case whatsoever, and went to $50 billion in market cap. At least with Doge, it was a proof of work, layer 1, right? You know, Jasmy could definitely hit 50 cents to $1 going into the bull cycle, because the use case and utility is there, right? The PDLs, data security, metaverse, AI, all of these things are integrated into the Jasmy ecosystem. The team, performer, Sony, executives, right? The full supply is now out, okay? A lot of people are talking down on XRP. Much love to the XRP community, but a lot of people are talking down on the XRP project, saying the team has too much of the supply, so they keep dumping XRP, right? Not the same thing here with Jasmy, because the full supply of Jasmy is basically out. 97.8% of Jasmy supply is out. This is close. This is at the bottom, or very close to the bottom for Jasmy. So you don't have to worry about, you know, token unlocks or tokenomics going into the bull cycle for Jasmy, right? Which gives it an edge also. And of course, the community is top notch. Right here, Coinstore.com lists Jasmy from Jasmy AI. New token listing on Coinstore. Welcome Jasmy MGT. Hashtag Jasmy to Coinstore. Coinstore.com lists Jasmy 24th today, man. Today is the 24th, guys. And what's awesome is that even throughout all the negativity in Jasmy, everything that's being said about it, still gets news articles written from Japanese top Japanese sites, news companies, still gets listings on exchanges, right? May not be, you know, bigger tier 1 exchanges, but a number of different exchanges, even like we saw with BitTrade, a Japanese exchange listing Jasmy. constant things keep happening for Jasmy, and it is great to see, man. High five. You could put your money on it in the next bull run. All the naysayers will be wishing they filled their bags this early. Web3 and Jasmy with Edge AI are changing the game with who owns whose data and who gets to utilize it. No more data manipulation against individuals. It's ours. And I love that mindset. I love that mentality, man. That's the reason I got into crypto personally, for the decentralization. Mixcouser, Jasmy. Jasmy is a token that has been gaining attention of the world of digital currencies. It's the first Japanese blockchain project that provides both corporations and people with unique, innovative data storage and possibilities, right? Again, the Coinstore listing is huge. It is very bullish that Jasmy keeps getting these exchange listings. You know why? Because it brings in volume. When an exchange lists Jasmy, they're like, well, you know, a lot of people are buying up Jasmy, might as well list it on our exchange, right? Dinero, 98% of its total supply is in circulation, 4.7 out of 5 average rating, high returns expected. Jasmy will be the crypto of the next bull run. Look at this. This is Coinbase, 4.7 out of 5 ratings out of 7,300 ratings. Community, top notch. Roadmap, top notch. Use case, top notch. Full supply is basically out. Guys, even if you don't see, you know, crazy explosion in Jasmy's price, you know, a lot of people are calling for high targets. I really believe from everything we got here with Jasmy, you will make gains going into the bull cycle. Even if you just have 100,000 to 1 million Jasmy, 100,000 Jasmy, I think, is a great bag to have. 200,000, great bag to have going into the bull cycle, guys, because profits will be made with Jasmy. How much? We could speculate, right? 30 cents to $1, we could speculate that, but profits will be made going into the next bull cycle with Jasmy, right? Dr. Jasmy, some of the Jasmy fam asked for it, so I present to you the mega bullish Jasmy chart based off of Coinbase's price history, imported CB price into TradingView, a 1,446x current price to prior all-time high, 6,130x potential. now this is pushing it. This is definitely pushing it, okay? But this is from Coinbase's history, right? So I guess from Jasmy's initial wick on Coinbase, when it first got listed on Coinbase, it hit all the way $21, right? Before the supply and everything got added to circulation, right? Got all the way up to $21, right? But as far as the chart goes, there's a lot of charts that have this huge falling wedge pattern, and you saw it with a lot of different projects, left and right. It had a huge falling wedge pattern, and then at a point in time we saw the impulse, right? We saw a huge impulse out of the falling wedge, and then boom, the trend continues, and then you see nice targets. Now, will Jasmy go back to its previous all-time highs of $2, $3, $4, $10, etc.? I'm not sure. I don't know if anything is possible in crypto, obviously, but I'm not sure about that. But 30 cents, 50 cents, $1, I think those are great conservative targets. Even the $1 mark, I can't rule out the $1 mark if Shiba Inu with zero use case went to 50 billion in market cap. I can't rule out $1 Jasmy because of that thought process, right? So anywhere from the 30 cents to $1 range for Jasmy, I think that is very possible, right? I think that's very possible. We're gonna cover this in the next video. From Christ the Rock, the solid rock, I stand. Jasmy holding this week's VHS as support. Lose it, look down, hold above our first take profit. So right here, once we hold this support, in this range that we're at right now at 3.4, we could potentially start to break out again to 3.7. Now remember, guys, in the markets, Bitcoin absolutely fell off a cliff, and that took a huge the entire market took a huge hit because of Bitcoin falling the way that it did, altcoins included. Now obviously there are a few altcoins that, you know, still held strength against Bitcoin, but the majority of alts, like 90%, 90% of the great alts that you guys love in the gaming sector, there's projects like Sandbox, Decentraland, Axie Infinity, in Layer 1, Solana, you know, Matic, Layer 2s, Optimism, Arbitrum. You know, a lot of these projects fell when Bitcoin fell, and Jasmy, again, one of those altcoins that fell also. It's very correlated and tied to Bitcoin. Even Pepe fell because Bitcoin fell, right? Once we start to see a more bullish market, even like I showed you guys earlier, even in the overall market, look at this, the overall total market is down 2%. You know, we were at 1.17 trillion, now we're at 1.05 trillion. A lot of liquidations are taking place in the space, so it's very tough for alts to start their bullish pattern, bullish momentum, but it's not that far away from the halving. So what do you do now? You dollar cost average into great altcoins like Jasmy, right? And eventually in the future, huge potential gains will be awarded to you for sticking throughout this critical bear market, longest bear market that we've had, right? Jasmy fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Really appreciate all the support on the videos. Coinstore listing, very bullish for Jasmy. Very great stuff to see. More and more listings are better for more access to more and more people to get add Jasmy to their holding, right? More convenience for people to get and buy Jasmy. Awesome stuff. So yeah, let me get your thoughts down below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, become a channel member to support the channel further. I'll catch you in the next video.